What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Just simply trying to get you ready for the weekend. Now, I hope you guys are ready. I know I am. I'm going to do some things this weekend because we really need to relax. We need to get rid of the stress. And we found a couple of things that we could do. Now, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face that's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you download ASAP. Now this one is called Mercury 12 24-hour multiple backgrounds. It's nice. It's not going to be inactive, but if you're going to be dressing down and you're going to be super casual or just casual, this would be a nice watch face to have on your wrist. You don't have to spend no money. Just simply go download. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a similar look, but it's going to light up green in AOD mode, which looks really nice. Now it's not inactive, but it doesn't need to be because it gives you all your information up front. Right here, you're going to get your days of the week with that gauge, and you get your battery info over here. Got your digital time with a PM stamp over here. You're going to get your heart rate, and you're also going to get your date. Now down at the bottom, you got a nice analog clock, so you get the best of both worlds. To me, this is definitely a good look for a casual wear. Now, if I double tap in the middle, I can change the theme. Now, if you're going out and you want it in the black mode, this looks nice. You got several colors that you can choose. Just simply double tap and you can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.